simplified version of Pick That Robin Clean, written sometime before 1927. It was recorded in 1927 by Luke Jordan, and in the 1930 by Geeshie Wiley and Elvie Thomas. It was recently played in the movie centers. It only has 4 chords in it that they repeat over and over and over again. The chords are a C, an A or an A7th, a D or a D7th, and a G or a G7. And it's just improvising on all of those chords. It starts off on this rundown from a C chord, starting on the 5th string, 3rd note C. You're just walking down to an A note, which starts your A chord, like this. And then you go to this D7th chord. This D7th looks like a C7th, it's just moved up 2. And for the 6th string, you've got to hold down this A note here, which is on the 5th fret. And quite often with this D chord, I'll walk down to the G. So from the A, going 1 fret at a time down to the G, like this. G chord or a G7th chord, and then back to your C chord, and then it just repeats again down to the A, and then going from the G back to the C. Now for that C chord, you hit a C, and then you can hit a G bass with a C chord, or you can hit a G chord, and then back to the C before you walk down. The melody changes pretty much every time around, and a rough outline of it is this. For the A chord, that would be on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then on the 2nd string, open, 1st fret, 2nd fret. And then when you get to the D chord, the melody is D, open B, and 2nd fret on the 3rd string. And then for the G chord, you walk up 3rd string, 2nd string, 2nd string, 2nd fret, and then back to the C chord. So something like this.